Okay, you guys, so we are at the beach, a different beach in Jamaica, in like Port Antonio or something like that. And it's so pretty. I just wanted to show you guys the ocean and everything. We're not staying long, but they have a swing, so I might take photos on the swing as well. But I need to hurry up. Like my mom, she's in the bathroom, and I need my photos before I start swimming. So, come on. Oh shit. Okay, you guys, so I showed you guys that we're at the beach. I just took a few photos by the little swing thingy. I swam literally all the way out there. I'll insert pictures because I really didn't vlog a lot and we're leaving anyways. But I just wanted to show you guys. Ooh, what's that? Oh, child! What's that? What's that? I know y'all saw that on the camera. Look, oh, it's somebody swimming out there. I should probably get away from this. You guys can see it, like out in the dark water. Past the two guys. Ooh, thought it was a shark. Anyway, oh, y'all can even see it. And you guys, this is another view slash higher view, like overview of the whole beach. It's so pretty. And over there, you can jump. Hold on. Zoom into it. Over there, you guys can jump off from over there and then go into the ocean. It's so pretty. I'm about to take a thumbnail right now. Okay, you guys, so we just started at this jerk place. This is like the downtown, well, not downtown, but this is like the little food area. That's a taxi. Beware of taxis, but we're out here. I think my mom's about to get some jerk chicken. I don't want jerk chicken, but here we are. Just got some jerk. Oh my god. Hold on. Just got some jerk chicken, guys. Now, and a festival. Mine kind of looks like a long stick, like a long wooden stick up a tree. But it tastes good. goats. Oh my god, they're so cute. There's a mountain up there. You guys, we just stopped on the side of the road just to show you the side of the road to get some fruit. As you guys can see, we got, I think that's called sour sap. Mom, what did you get? What is that? Nesberry?
Oh, it's a yellow. It look like pumpkin.